Hello everyone, hi, welcome to Journal Treasures. My name is Galit, and today we are using my regular junk journal, and I've already chosen the pages that I want to work on. This page just screams spring for me, and we also have a little pocket here, so it looks nice to work on. I have this picture. I've already just backed up this picture a bit, and I think I have just another one. Yeah, I have this plate, and today I'm celebrating Passover. I didn't have much pictures. I only had one picture that I took before the Passover dinner, and because I don't have much images, I will not decorate this page too much, but I want this to be somewhat something that I can flip maybe, or just a piece of scrap of paper. And I think I will do it like that. Okay, but first I'm gonna grab a vintage photo and I will just ink it a bit. I will grab my glue stick. I think I will use this side first. I have this white washi tape. And this I'm gonna close with the double-sided tape, just so I will know it's closed.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어.
So we have this, and in here I just thought of adding another page, something like that, or maybe even I have this. No, maybe this. I want just a bit on the inside to cut. I need to cut it a bit more. Yeah, and I'm gonna glue that. Good. I'm taking my script because I want to decorate the page very, very lightly. I'm just adding the vintage photo and I want to put it very randomly. Something like that. Alright, so I'm gonna take a label first. I'm gonna write something here and I'm gonna staple that on the page. And I'm gonna put it right here. Good. And I have another image of Pixie, and she came with us and she was so cute all through dinner. She did throw up on the way like she always does, and even though we gave her medication, on the way back she was really tired and she slept all the way. But all through dinner she was right here underneath the table next to us. She was so cute. Okay, and here I really wanted to add some journaling card. Good. I think I'm gonna fold it though. I'm just folding it three like this and like this. So yeah, I just journaled here and I want to tuck this here. I even don't want it to be seen, so I'm just putting it here. These cute images, and I also wanted to add, I found this little, I have this box full of cutouts, and I think a week ago I saw a little, oh here it is, this little cute bird. And I really wanted to add that, and I think I will add it with this or with this. I'm gonna put it somewhere like here above. Oh, this is a hard cardstock, so I'm gonna use double-sided too. I'm gonna put it like that, and then I will add this. And I will add this image. And I will add this bird as well. This bird though, I am thinking maybe somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here. And this, I'm just keeping it like that because I really don't want to decorate it too much. I am wanting to tuck this in so it won't be seen, but I do want to add something here so that I can pull it out more easily. So I'm just gonna glue that. Yeah, I love that. That is it. This was a very quick spread. I just wanted to put down the memories. I didn't want to complicate things. Passover used to be my favorite holiday of all the holidays. Since my mom passed away, Passover it doesn't have the same meaning to me as it used to. So I just wanted to put down the memories because I did have fun. I'm so happy that Pixie was with us because it made the dinner even more special. And yeah, I just journaled here, but I really don't want it to be seen, so I'm tucking it inside. And I journaled under this little thermal card. And here I'm just leaving it like that. I really love how this turned out. It is so simple, but so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this very, very quick little spread. And I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah! Bye!
Mm-hmm.